So the more I use the generic technology tools, Linux, Python, Vim, and Git, on a day-to-day basis and commit them to sort of an internal place, muscle memory, so you stop thinking about them, the better I get at using them, respectively, to tackle all the broad range of problems I might encounter on a day-to-day basis for my job. So you'd call it a broad problem domain that I am able to competently address, with my skills increasing and improving like that of a craftsperson over the years, while I evade and dodge all the proprietary platform and customer lock-in traps that get you paying for all kinds of things you don't really need if you have a broad and deep understanding of a small set of tools that can be expertly wielded, usually from the free and open source world. The more I realize that is exactly what market forces don't want you doing, because everyone's peddling aware this or that, which promises to improve your life in all sorts of wonderful ways. But I don't buy it, and I try to avoid buying it. You don't want to invest in things that are external to yourself, that require you paying to continue to have those skills. You want to invest in things that somehow go so well internally inside of yourself that they're like extensions of your body. Like the way people are so comfortable riding a bike or driving a car. These are not things that are inside your body, but they fade into the background. So is it with tech.